Wireless remote control inverter. Automatic hibernation of remote controller to reduce energy consumption and light source pollution. Remote start by one button. Accurate data without deferred synchronization. Remote data monitoring. Voltage, power, etc. are under control. Remote open and close of inverter. Power display of remote control. Flashing alarm with low power LCD. Cycle charging of standard USB voltage. One key resetting by simple operation. Is suitable for motorhomes, villas, family, etc. No matter where the installation position is, the data intuitively reflected. Operate by one button remote control. Clear, convenient and safe. Science and technology change life.